Are you embarrassed to do this exercise at the gym? Yeah, you're not alone. Most women are. We call this the bad girl machine, and I'm gonna show you why. You're gonna take your legs apart, and this exercise actually works the upper glute, which is amazing. It gives you that nice curve and shape to your booty at the top. So once you get in, don't make eye contact with anybody. Just stay focused on yourself and sit upright. And one thing we see a lot of people do is you just wanna hammer out a bunch of reps and do this without any intention. You wanna focus on a weight that is going to challenge you. Sit upright. Think about these muscles here, pulling your legs out and apart. Toes up helps as well. Come out, a hard squeeze of that upper glute muscle, and then slowly release and come back with tension. Don't just allow that weight stack to smack together. You wanna keep tension in the muscle. That is how your muscles change, is under tension with the appropriate amount of weight and sets and reps. This will be an exercise that you will wanna keep in your arsenal. If you like that nice shapely booty appearance from a side view, it makes all the selfies pop and you don't wanna skip it.